Diversity tool. I'm changing out my belt tensioner right here. I have my 5/8 socket, my ratchet, and I need to loosen it up and get the belt off first. And it has about, look like 3 bolts. I'll make sure I hit the right one from autos on. And it goes in, looks like this way here. So get those 3 bolts out. And you'll be done. As I noticed some squeaking going on after replacing the alternator, new belt. So I'm going to now take off my tensioner and see if that's going to solve the problem. It's right down there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record the whole thing here, but you got to get that on there and push up on it. See, it's going to take tension off my alternator. I can pull it off from there. So let's knock it out. I'm going to pull up on my tensioner here and get the belt off my alternator. Nice and tight. I don't know how I got that off the last time. Got it off from down here. Off the pulley first. That was easier. Okay, there. Put my guard off. Slide it down there. Now I'm going to focus down on my tensioner. See, the hose got back in my way. Nowhere to put it. It's gonna pop back up, looks like. Okay, we got him out. The old tensioner. My new one right here. We'll repeat the process. Put that down there. Get him into place. Bottom screw, bolt, in. It's faster to get it by hand as far as you can go. On the bottom one and this side again. now. Back on the bottom. Still turning. I gotta look at my ratchet on that. Okay, I found it easier to go ahead and put it on the tensioner and on the alternator, and put tension on the tensioner and just slide it under the pulley here. On the bottom, it was much easier to get the belt on. So put it on, wrap it around your other pulleys, get it on the tensioner, on the alternator, and when you put tension on it, slide it under the pulley. Just slide it under, should be good to go. Good to take my get me a bar, piece of pole to put up my ratchet to help give me some torque to be able to hold my tension on it while I got it on under my pulley. That worked out really good. So here we have our new tensioner in place. Didn't take very long at all. Get my belt back, wind it where it should be, and everything looks good. New tensioner in place, in and out, and a snap. Diversity tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Installing a new belt tensioner on this 04 Denali YUKON 1500.